Welcome back to another episode of how to fix the code execution cannot proceed on VLC. Let me show you the error code. At first, download the DLL file by the link given below the description. The download is finished now. Now locate the downloaded file. Now copy the DLL file. Now place the DLL file in the same folder where the VLC.exe file is located. DLL installation has been completed. Let me open VLC to check the error. Your VLC is now fixed. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comments section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.